Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to set up on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, just click on hold side power button and you will see phone is get start. You will see Samsung logo is showing on your Samsung phone screen. And you will see unlock, enter your phone pin. Phone is starting. So if you want to set up Samsung one, so set up lock, enter phone password, pin pattern, face recognition and fingerprint, and enter your email password, Gmail, and set up apps. So after set up Samsung phone, so that's how you can set up Samsung on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.